ano? Yung sumusunod kay Kristo, His will be done. Pero kung ang will mo, ang gusto mo, yung pride sa puso mo, then sabi ni God, thy will be done. Okay? Example, rich people, powerful people, na walang Diyos sa kanilang buhay. We may see na hindi naman sila dinidiscipline. Hindi naman sila pinapurusahan ni God, pero lumalago pa. True. Sa buhay na ito, maaaring totoo yun. But ultimately, they will receive what they want. Sabi ni God, thy will be done. Now, ano ba ang picture ng isang pure na person? Eto po yun. Ako, bakit ganyan, pastor? Bakit ganyan, kapatid? Yan ba ang cure? Tumba. Tumba. Naalala niyo pa yung puno, no? Di ba sabi yung puno, napakatayo, napakataas, kita sa buong mundo. Pero chop, yan yun. That is a picture of a cured photo. Cut off the tree. Kasi si Hari Nebuchadnezzar is relying on himself. Ang dami kong mabunga ako, kitang-kita ko, bilib lahat sa akin. Pero sabi ni God one day, cut it off. Wow! Cut it off. Anong ikakat? Ikat yung majesty niya. Ikat yung splendor niya. Ikat yung might niya. Cut everything that he had. Putulin. Pag pinutol ni God ang mga ito, that is the start of the curing process. And how long is the curing process? Kay Hari Nebuchadnezzar, 7 period of time. 7 period of time. And at the end of this day, I, Nebuchadnezzar, lifted my eyes to heaven. After 7 period of time, my reason returned to me. Ano yung Tagalog yan? Yung pag-iisip, kamalayan, ano pa? May isang word na karapat-dapat nun.
Pananaw. Ang pananaw niya.
Tingin mo meron. Kasi mabibitin po tayo, no? Pero bumalik po kanya yung reason, return to me. So, nung bumalik, nalaman niya yung pinagdaanan niya, I bless the Most High and praise and honor to Him who lives forever. For His dominion is an everlasting dominion, and His kingdom endures from generation to generation. After 7 years of 7 period of time, ito yung discipline period. Ano nangyari? He lifted his eyes. Alam mo, dumadaan tayo sa pagsubok, dumadaan tayo sa discipline. Did we lifted our eyes and acknowledging God? Kasi we have to learn from this discipling period, discipline period. No? Kailangan